Hello everyone, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Tech. In today's video, I try to do the PUBG FPS meter test while dropping in the boot camp. So this is a question which was asked by plenty of users regarding the FPS drop in the while playing in the PUBG game when you're trying to drop in the boot camp. So that's what I'm going to test. And right now I did install the third-party FPS meter, as you can see here. So during this time of testing, I'll try to use the screen recording as well. So just to show you what is happening. So in terms of the screen recording settings, so let me try to show you friends what are the settings I'm trying to use. So I'm trying to select the high quality. As you can see, I'm using high quality and recording sound only system sound. So these are the few settings which I'm trying to use. I did disable the display touch trajectory as well, as you can see here. So let me try to continue the game here. So it is a PUBG game and here I got the FPS meter installed, and let me try to start the match and show you what is happening and is there any lag or not. So you'll get to know clear results. So let me try to start the recording now itself so you know what is happening. So it's a screen recording friends. So now the screen recording has been started successfully. So now you'll be able to see the real-time FPS meter what is going on the top here. So let's see whether will there be any kind of lag or not when you're trying to drop exactly in the boot camp area. So that is what this complete video is. And in case if you're having any other queries, so make sure to definitely check this playlist friends. So I already uploaded more than 80 videos on this IQ7 smartphone within short amount of time. So try to check the playlist and you will get to know complete details. Before buying the phone, you will have the confidence whether to buy this phone or maybe choose another smartphone. So that's what that playlist is useful for. So make sure to check the links in description for the playlist link. So you'll definitely find the link for the playlist. So right now let's see friends what is happening here. I think the match will be starting right now, so let's see. And I'm getting solid about 60-59 FPS. So at the moment solid 60-59 FPS. And you can see the temperatures as well, and 52-54 degrees, and CPU percentage how much it is as well. Everything you will get to know all the details. And 60 FPS, 59 FPS. So let's see friends, after the match begin, we'll be able to see how much FPS we are getting exactly when you're trying to drop in the boot camp area. That is what my video will be there at the moment, and let's see. And here's the game. I'll attempt to slightly increase the volume so you can actually feel the sound of the game as well, of the screen recording what is happening. So you can see friends the FPS meter coming. $56-60 FPS. So 58 FPS. As you can see friends, right now I'm getting about 57 FPS. I can see some kind of frames are dropping right now at the moment. As you can see friends, the frames are dropping definitely sometimes. As you can see, the frames did drop at the moment, so little bit you can see here friends. So it decreased. So again I'll try to be back, and again I'll try to do the same. I'll repeat the same thing. Let me try to go back, and let's see what will happen the second time. But there is a few amount of frames did get dropped at the moment. Let me try to start the match again. Let's see what will happen right now in the second time of testing whether the FPS will drop or not. So this is a test to which I'm trying to do, and definitely I can feel the some kind of lag has happened when I'm trying to play in the boot camp in this IQ7 device. So this with the external RAM enabled, so I did turn on the external RAM as well, so you need to remember that after turning on the external RAM. So this is what happened. So let me try to see, friends, the second time what will happen. So let's say I'm very curious to see, and in case if you have any other queries, so make sure to comment below what are your comments. And this is a screen recording which I'm trying to use, high screen recording, high quality. So let's see, friends, what will happen. And I can definitely feel the vibrations of the phone coming. So it's really good, the vibrations in this phone, which I particularly like, the vibrations. And I'm trying to record the screen, I'm trying to play. So this will be the really good interesting test for a lot of gamers who want to use this phone for the streaming purpose. Then definitely you can know. And make sure to check the other videos, friends, which I uploaded recently, so which will be really interesting for you all in case if you want to buy the phone. So let's see, friends, this time how all the results will be there in terms of the FPS count. I'm very curious to see. And you can try to focus at the FPS count, how much I'm getting exactly at this point. I think I'll be falling exactly in the middle of the spot. Let's see, friends, what will happen. So 59, 51, 50, sometimes it's decreasing, it started to decrease little by little. So right now I'm not trying to play the game, but I'm just trying to show you the FPS drop, how much will be there if you're trying to drop exactly in the boot camp. That is what my focus will be there at the moment. Just again miss. So let's see, friends, this time what will be the FPS, how much will it be dropping. So that is what I'm trying to see here. So let's see. Really so what will happen this time of the boot camp test. So you can see 56, 59, and exactly in the middle we are trying to drop.
Get in the car. Watch out.
As you can see, friends, right now I'm getting about 55 FPS. So let's see, friends, this is the third time which I'm trying to do. So let's see what will happen that this time the FPS, will there be any kind of drop or not. So as I said, I'm not that good at gaming, friends, sorry for that, but definitely I'm doing my best in terms of showing you whether is there any frames drop or not when you're trying to play in the boot camp. So right now it's 51, you can see the 51, 52. $58 I'm getting. As you can see, friends, the frames in the first time when I played it, the frames got dropped, but not after that one. So well friends, a final thing is that there is a little bit amount of frames are dropping when you're trying to drop exactly in the boot camp. So that is what I did notice when you're trying to do. So I did play this game continuously 3 times trying to drop in the boot camp area only, and it did observe the dropping in the frames little bit, coming close to 50 FPS as well. So that's it friends, this is a quick review, and sorry for the bad gaming, and I'll try to be as good as best in the gaming, so definitely I'll practice more. So thank you for watching this video friends, and stay tuned for more updates in the future, and do let me know in the comments below in case if you're having any other doubts regarding the smartphone. So see you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.